Righto, we're up at the house here. Got the new 302 Mini X. Pretty stoked on this. Yeah, basically today we're going to flip the cabin back just to have a look under it. This is a brand new machine, so I've never had a brand new machine before, so I kind of wanted to have a look around it, go through all the ins and outs, and I kind of want to see what's underneath there. So we have I think it was a 16mm to undo these little bolts to take the plates off, and then it's a 24mm socket here just to take out the pins to flip it back. So I'm gonna have a look under there and see what it's all about. What do you reckon? It's got some struts there. That's pretty nice. There it goes, and it locks out. Little safety locker right there. The battery. Wow. Little air line, little breather line for the air filter. That's crazy, such a small little motor. That's pretty handy. You can walk around the whole thing, open it all up with the cabin flip back. Got your fuel filter, air filter, engine oil filter, your dipstick. You've got your coolant reservoir, radiator over here, windshield fluid, diesel. That's pretty crazy. Tiny little thing, tiny little tank. Get in there with the pressure washer and give her a wash out. Get all the dust off it. Sweet, good stuff.